Here we are today at Car Audio Security in Hayes. West London Classics had their annual end of season meet. Very well turned out today. This Ford was absolutely lovely. This BM looked absolutely fresh on the day. Going to walk along to this Granada now. This Porsche was looking really nice at the end. He revved it up and showed us what it sounds like. But yeah, this Granada was something special on the day. It's got a 2JZ engine, Supra engine, Toyota. Sound really lovely. Really would not expect this coming out of this car. A proper sleeper. This Granada looks lovely. There we go, there's the back of the Porsche, very clean. We're just starting on the other side. Some lovely cars. This is pretty much in the morning. It got a lot busier towards the end. But yeah, if you want to check it out, check out West London Classics or Car Audio Security for their events. They seem to have quite a few through the year. This was the first time we've popped over there. But do like and subscribe, and we go live on TikTok. Our same name is on here, North London Rides. Thank you for watching our video.